On this old train line, I'ma get it done. Now I got the party jumping like it's double dutch. Then we spun the block, came back, double up like, ooh, I got a and a bad girl. Yeah, met her uptown, but she from the borough. Better known as the boogie down. All sookie now. Get up out the kitchen, man, I'm cooking now. Brother man, slip me skin, suck it to me. And they gotta shut their mouth when they talking to me. I look around, it's a whole lot of flexing moments. But I hit the highs, man, don't want the drama. Hey, peace and love, baby, keep it groovy. Every time we pop out, you know it's a movie. If I'm in hot water, then it's a jacuzzi. I gotta shake, so I'm throwing deuces. I gotta, even when I'm down bad, yeah, I know how to bounce back. Cause you know I gotta, and she look good, don't she? On top of that, she good for me. Make me wanna say, even though I got plenty, if I'm down to my last penny, I still gotta, still gotta, I still gotta. You must be knowing here. You see these grown people talking what you doing here. I gotta have a mind and hit you with a split your get up off the wall, go on, get it moving here. Yeah, I'm just catching the vibe. I told the valet, take your time, it might get a ride. Floating through the front door, my mind is tied. Good Lord, mama, you know you looking divine. I had to turn around, double take a look at that. Girl, you got good taste, where you cook it at? You can mingle with the cool kids. I'm out here sweating like a preacher in a pool pit. Even when I'm down bad, I know how to bounce back. I know I got her, and she look good, don't she? On top of that, she good for me. Made me wanna say, and even though I got plenty, if I'm down to my last penny, I still got her. I know I got her. I know I got her. Even when I'm down bad, yeah, I know how to bounce back. Cause you know I got her, and she look good, don't she? On top of that, she good for me. Made me wanna say, even though I got plenty, if I'm down to my last penny, I still got her. Still got her. I still got her.
What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Halfway there. Got a couple things on the stream today. So, first of all, I put out the LoadPartner TMS update video today. So, if you haven't checked that out, go check that out. It's on the LoadPartner channels, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. So, go check that out. I think it's going to be the last one we do for a while. Changing to more of like a showcase format. Kind of clean up those videos a little bit more for the next time around, so we can focus on, like, I don't know, more interesting content instead of being like 10 minutes of me sort of rambling and talking about some dev stuff that people don't care about. So anyway, go get a watch if you get time. Let me know what you think. Stream today, so I think we're gonna work on more on the carrier page, get Safer integrated. So get it, the FMCSA API hooked in. I'll show you how to do that. Maybe we'll make it a package. I don't know if we'll do that today or not for sure. We'll build it with the process of we can make it a package if we would decide we want to. And then it's there if people want it. We can split it out. I guess what we'll do. And then at the end, if we have time, we'll split it into an actual package. We'll put on GitHub and Packagist and all that stuff. So yeah, that sounds good. We'll do that. But yeah, doing that, and then what else? If we get time, looking at data tables, making them mobile friendly. Yeah, I don't think we'll have time for that today. We'll see. But mostly FMCSA integration. That's the focus for today. So yeah, let me share my screen. Let's just jump in. Get this thing rolling. All right, so this is high level what I want to do today. On our create in LoadPartner, so let's jump in here. You remember the way we had this working before is create carrier just takes a name and it just creates a blank carrier that you can then go in and edit, which is pretty basic, honestly. So what I want to change this to is when you go create carrier, it's going to ask you for a name or DOT number. Maybe an MC number too. I don't. We'll just do DOT number today, I think. And when you type it in, it'll like hit the API, pull back carriers, or look if we have them already, and then be like, "Do you mean one of these?" And you can be like, "Yes," and it'll import it, and then it'll do the same process. Or you'll say no, create manual, and then you can like it'll just be like the normal create process, and create a blank carrier for you to work from. And then also inside of these carriers, I want to add a, I guess like a safer, safer. Now I gotta find a safer entry. Go back to the top level, please. There we go. Company snapshot one. Okay. So we're gonna create a new table as well in the database for like safer report, and then we'll like store all this in the table. So if you run it, it's saved, and then you'll be able to create it from there, etc. So anyway, this is the API docs. Eldorado said, I like DOT because not all carriers have MC, but you could definitely do a select for MC or DOT. Yeah. I think we're just going to do DOT today, but I think we're going to add, we'll have MC support in the future. It kind of just depends on how timing goes today, I think, really. But, yeah, I agree. I think we'll just start with DOT today. But, yeah, so basically I want to pull all these fields in, throw them in a new database table for us to reference later. And then maybe we'll create a... Do we really want to, like... I don't know, we can figure out how we want to display it on the carrier, like the actual reports on the carrier page, I guess, based on the data we get. I don't think we want to put it all under one tab, probably. I don't know, maybe you do. Like, for example, like active, we're going to want that to be like a check mark right here on the first page, probably. So, yeah. Anyway. Let's just jump into it. Yeah? Let's do it. Cool. So I actually already generated... I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit, which is if you want to use the FMCSA API, you have to get an API key. I've already done this. I'm not going to share my key as best I can. I'm going to try not to leak my key. If I do, it's not a big deal. I'll just delete it and generate a new one, but I'm going to try to not. So you do need to go through a couple steps to get a key. It's not that big of a deal, but you would have to do that ahead of time if you wanted to use this package. If we open source it, which I mean, it's going to be open source, but if we split it out. So starting from the top, I think what we're going to want to do is create a new, like, search for... See, is there ever going to be a case where we're not? I think we're just going to build it right into that carrier dialog, like a search. I don't think we need to be creative and make it like its own component. I mean, maybe we can just make it easier, but it won't be reused, I don't think. Two monster kind of day today. Look, it's snowing here in North Carolina today. You can't probably really see it in the video, I'm not sure. But it's actually snowing, which is crazy. Yeah, we're doubled up. We're doubled up. Anyway, I have an ENV key, so what I'm going to do for starters is we're going to create a new... Wait, am I in? Let me create a branch really quick off this. Cool. Let's start by creating a new config file. We're just going to call it FMCSA. And then I'm going to do... API key. Hopefully this is right. Yep. Oh, there it is. I leaked it. Dang, that lasted 30 seconds. I didn't think it was gonna auto show me the key. Come on. Come on now. That didn't last long at all. Oh my gosh. Wait, how many minutes have we been streaming? 10 minutes, including the intro? Unbelievable. I didn't think it was gonna like share the hint. All right, well, I will change that later, I guess. Great. Good to know that happens, I guess, for future reference. Alright, so we've got our FMCSA config file now, so we can reference it. Let me delete everything else. Actually, we can close everything, I think. Let's start fresh here. Let's go, say, what we have, like, index, I guess, on carriers is where that's at. So, carriers, dialog. So here's our create. So maybe we just create a... How do we do this? Form on submit. Oh, we're actually submitting to the carrier store. Okay. And then the carrier store does a redirect. I mean, I guess we just make it a component. It's probably cleaner to just make this a partial, like, carrier create dialogue. I think so. Let's do that. Let's do that. So, I think we go carrier create dialogue, not PHP, TSX. Yeah, you want to help me out with this? Just like scaffold some of this for me? That'd be awesome. It's like export. There we go. Sure. You're not wrong. Yeah, let's do this. So we know that, oh, not here. Here. The dialogue. Let's just do this. I feel like my computer's a little slow today. Should have rebooted before I started streaming. New computer soon. I've been looking at them. All right. Eventually, you don't have to listen to me complain about my computer being slow. So all the 5000 series cards are out now. See, they're for sale for like $4 grand. I can't afford that, but I'm gonna get a 4000 something probably. All right. So what I think we'll do is just pretty much wrap all this. Just trying to get all these imports in here. It's like AI kind of goofed some of this up. I wish that the linter completion would add my imports. That'd be cool. So what we want to do, let's add, yeah, pretty much exactly that. That's fine for now. We got to handle submit. Okay, so I don't know if we're gonna do a form now. Let me think about this, how we want to handle this. I want to just stub out the front end so we can use it for testing, just to make it easier. That's why I'm starting here. I don't think we're gonna do a... Let me think about this. I think it should be like... You see like a carrier name or a DOT. You put it in. It searches. Shows a list of possible matches. You can click create on one if it's the right one. Or you go create manual. And if you do create manual, it goes to this form. So maybe we do carrier create dialogue, and maybe we nest this again and go carrier. Actually, we don't need to nest this again. Hold on, I lied. Wait, okay. It just named that whatever it wanted to, I guess. There it is. Delete this. Okay. Okay. So what I think we'll do is I think we'll split this dialogue content into another function. Function carrier create. Go manual create form. And then we go return. Okay, cool. Set is open. So the cancel should always be there. The create should only be there for if the manual create shows up. And that's basically gonna be here. So let's go, I guess we want to add is open and set is open here. And then we're gonna go carrier manual create, pass everything in. Errors. Is that the form? Submit? Yeah. Oh, you know what? We can actually go like this, right? Wait, can we nest these like this? I don't remember. I don't know. Actually, hold on. I'm going to try something because I'm not sure if we can actually do this or not, to be honest. I was going to try this. It would be nice to do this. So yeah. I don't... Can I do that? Oh, I forgot to pull these over. Immediately leaked. Yeah, and 2 monsters is crazy. Hey, that's the kind of day it is, you know? We're testing the heart out. See how it'll do. Okay, we cannot do that, so we'll just put it into its own then like we had before. That's fine. Okay. Let's go this. Do a little format action. Okay, so now we've got the manual create form. So by default, we're gonna do like a search. Oh wait, we gotta do handle submit. I will stub this for now. Const handle submit. Submitted. Carrier name, we can... I guess we'll just throw this in here too, sure. Gotta add the import, errors. This is because we were using the inertia form before. Yeah. Oh no, we weren't. We actually were using errors. Okay. Sure then. Import. Set errors. Save, whatever. Set errors. That's fine. I just want to make this work. Is open. We don't actually need is open. We just need to set is open in here. Yeah, thank you, Chase. Appreciate it. I had almost an identical, like 2 of them before. Same way, so yeah, it's nice to have you in chat to be able to actually ban those. She said she was, so yeah, she said she was my girlfriend. Amazing. All right, we just needed the, yeah, we need the set open. We don't actually need to open itself in here. That's just right here. That's fine. We do set is open. We pass it all the way down. And then we're going to also create a... Oh, it's actually being smart. Let's try this. Let's see if it does it. Let's go... function carrier FMCSA create form. That's fine. On submit. Yeah, that's fine. We'll go handle submit. Looks great. We're also gonna do, I want to do a label. Label, carrier name, and let's do this. Div. That's funny that it doubled it. Not what I would have expected. DOT number. No, not all that. Placeholder, DOT number. Cool. And then we'll do a button. Button. Search. Yep. Cool. Looks great. Yeah. Cool. And then I actually want to add, okay, so we actually used footer in here, but I don't think we want to do that. I want to actually do this instead. Wait. No, actually we can't. We can use footer again. That's totally fine. Carrier FMCSA create form. We do cancel, we do search. Put the search icon in there. I think we gotta go class name equals line. Let it show how I want it to show. Okay. I want to do this inside of the manual create. And router is going to be from inertia. Looks great. Okay, cool. So manual create should just work now. Greet me. Hi, Dom. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. All right. So let's throw this in here too. Carrier FMCA secret. So then basically I want to do, there's gonna be like, we need to like track a state in this. So we want to be like const create state. Set create state. And then I think we're gonna be in lookup manual FMCSA. We'll start in lookup. Thanks for stopping by regardless. Feel free to swing by another time. I'm streaming usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so got a lot of work still to do, so we'll be doing it for a long time. V1 looking in April though. Let's see, let's get this formatted. Cool. So we'll start in lookup. So then what I think we'll do is we'll say, yeah, exactly. And we got to do the lookup state still. So I guess we should do, I guess actually maybe we just do manual and FMCSA. Maybe FMCSA just takes care of it. Yeah, I think that sounds better. So then we go set create state. So I think we can go set create state. There's a lot of steps in here. Set create state. Carry from CSA. Okay. I think we're almost ready to actually do the connect to FMCSA here. Very close. basically, we're at the point of now. Actually, let me just see what this looks like really quick. Oh, we get rid of this. Oh, we get rid of this. This. I think we want open though, right? Or no? Create carrier dialog. Yes. Okay. Set carrier name. Oh. I guess we can do. We can probably do on. Hold on. We can go. Basically, when it opens, I want the carrier name to reset. It doesn't matter. Hold on. Let's just see what this is doing first. We got a couple steps here. So basically, create carrier. Now we got our search. I can cancel. I can search. That doesn't do anything. That's what it should do. Is this, which I'm going to do handle search. Actually, is what I'm going to call it. And then we're going to go submit handle search. So I think we are going to create another state probably. Let's do set form state actually instead. Okay, cool. FMCSA create form. Wait, do I need to do this? I lied. I don't think we're gonna do. I'm just trying to think about like if the list should be handled inside of the FMCSA form. I guess we can. That's fine. All right, so we'll go set form state so that you can basically bail out of this. You can go if you click whatever that button will be in the future of like manual, it'll set form state to manual. Okay, so search, cancel should just close. That's fine. Cool. Okay, so now we need to, let me add this. Start a carrier lookup form. Cool. Now to the fun part. So let's go create. We're gonna need a couple things. Yeah, let's start with just creating the service to hit FMCSA. So we'll go app. I think we're gonna create a. I mean, we could create an action. I don't think we want to do. I kind of feel like we want to do either integrations or services. I'm gonna go with the integrations for now. Oh, okay. We can change this later, I'm sure. I feel like this is one of those things that I'm gonna write it and then be like, oh, that's a stupid name or something. All right, and we want to do. Isn't there like a fetch API? I swear there is. I don't think that's what I want. I mean, I guess so. Okay. Okay. That's fine. So this is our path. That's our base URL, and then we're gonna do a search carrier We're gonna go by, so to do name and DOT is different. So I think we'll go by, we'll just start name for kicks. So it's carrier's name and then the name. What the heck? Name and then name. Okay, okay. So there's gonna be HTTP. Actually, yeah. Response. Carrier's name, carrier name. Sure, but I'm gonna actually do a little bit more of this. Let's go with wait, const.
And I like his determination, and I like the fact that besides everything that he tries to do,
I don't know why that's not working. Am I crazy?
Submits himself and asks God to direct and to guide, and
That's
I
it.
like that humble part too.
Okay. Oh yeah, and self is actually the right way to do it, I think. So let's try something here. Let's go. Oh, we could also do web key. Is there a good way to do that? We gotta pass our key in as like a parameter. Okay, cool. Oh wait. With query parameters. Perfect. Let's go. Query parameters. And then here we go. Got to throw our web key in there. I'm still gonna leak this again anyway. It doesn't even matter. It seems like almost impossible that I won't leak this again. No, it's FMC. Why is that not completed for me? There it is. FMCSA API key. There it was again. There it was again. Alright, I'm gonna go. Let's do. Yeah, there we go. It's better. Okay. So now, if I go Sail Tinker. Whoops. Actually, did that work? I didn't know that would actually work. So I want to go new app integrations FMCSA service.php or not.php. Okay, and then I go s dot search carrier integrity. Okay, now perfect. Perfect. All the stuff. Links, docket numbers, etc. Just DOT number, EIN, yeah. Okay. So search carrier, that looks good. That's under, hold on. Did they give us, I think they give us responses in here. Responses. Okay. Cool. Oh, this isn't quite what I was looking for. That's okay. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do searches for public function, search carrier name. Let's go search carrier DOT. I think over 3, it's you do like this. It's my preference. Carriers, DOT, it's not that, it's dot, or, no, it's actually just carrier slash. And I need to actually, I wonder if that's taken care of if I go like this. It does, okay. Okay. Cool. All right, cool. Cool. So we got the OT now. Let's see. Let's look for one, I guess, huh? What was one of the ones we did before? It's probably the OT number. So now if I go, wait, did I print it still? I did not. So if I go, should be able to go to service, logger, info, service, search, carrier, DOT. Yeah, cool. All in there. Nice. Nice. And I think what we'll have to do actually is, I mean, once we have DOT number, it's not that big a deal to do other lookups later, but like, what we want to probably do is jump into these other ones and also record them. Because like this is going to be a, in fact, maybe we should do, actually, hold on, I have an idea. Let's go private function get with key path. I think all gets, I think so. I think they are. Path, base URL, key, looks great. So then here, yeah, I'll probably figure this out. No? I figured it would fix this. Okay, well I want to go return this get with key. Look at that. So much cleaner, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see if it works. Yeah, cool. It's way cleaner. Okay. So now I do want to check one more thing. If we go search carrier name. The DOT gives us one, but this gives us multiple, or it should. There it is, yeah, it's an array. Okay. I kind of want to like transform these into like objects that have a pattern or something. Like a, so like it gets the result and returns like a type. I think that would be nice to use. I think that'd be super nice. Although there is a lot of stuff in here. But then you could go, I don't know, let's add these other searches first, I guess, and then we come back. So I want to support docket number. I mean, these are the other ones basically, right? Those are the links we're seeing. Public function search carrier C number. Is it docket number first? Docket dash number. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool. All right. So that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. But yeah, so DOT docket numbers, right? So I kind of want to just do these, and then like have this turn into like, hold on, if we go hit this one, right? So if we go maybe this is a good one still. This is probably a private function. Get carrier UCs. And then we go DOT number. Wait. Oh, it's this one. So it's just dash docket numbers, basically same thing. So it's this docket numbers. Make it public for now. I just want to see what this comes back with. So if we go here and go create a new service, and then we go, we'll do get carrier MC. Okay, so it just returns a list of, wait, that's different. This link is different than the one they just told us to use. For sure. What's the base we did? Services. So it would be carriers MC numbers. I'm gonna go by what the API is doing and not with not by what's in the docs. It feels like a safer bet. Let's see here. Yeah, okay. Cheap viewers, there they are. At least they're not pretending. You know? Like, it's obviously a bot. Okay, so we got MC number. That looks good. I think we want to just throw these other ones in too. You think AI can do this if I take... Hold on. I'm gonna... Let's try something. This would be pretty cool. I'm about to rip saferapi.com. Go with my pile of domains. Wait, is that really available? That's crazy, actually. This should be easier. I don't know if I'd pay for it. That's the only thing. I want to see if I go... Hold on. So if I post a picture into my chat here, add support for these endpoints as well, if they are missing. I think it'll do it. I'm just curious. Wait, what is it doing? Okay. I might do it with that project using GraphQL you were talking about. Yeah, I think that'd be a fun one to do. Just to do it. It's a good use case. Like, this is a perfect example of like, I want to do DOT number as like my search query, and then I want to say like, give me out of service, give me docket numbers. Like, this is literally a perfect GraphQL use case in my opinion. So I think that would be cool, and I actually think it would be a good example of like how to do GraphQL for people, because I think a lot of people get a little scared of they get a little scared of GraphQL and think it's like complicated and like, why would you use it? I think it's a good use case of like, here's where you would use it. Like, you just want to get MC number, like you would use GraphQL, say just give me MC. You want to get like out of service history, you include that in the query, and it comes all of it comes back. It's a great use case. Great use case, in my opinion. You know what's actually speaking of good use cases, what we should do instead of creating a hard type for this, we should create a resource, an FMCSA search resource. Right? Can I use Laravel API resources? Actually, we're going to create a class or a model. I wish you could use resources outside of models a little more. Alright, so all of this is basically to say, if I want to go... I think we're going to do like this, hold on. So public function, get all carrier detail, get full report, string, DOT number. We're going to go an array for now, and we're going to go like this. Report equals this search carry DOT number. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Actually, it's gonna be like, oh, okay, we'll just start with this. I think we're gonna actually need to change this function, the way this, it's not exactly right, I think, but okay. So let's go get full report. I stopped programming for like 2 or 3 months now. I have more projects and work. I know what to do with. Yeah, I understand that. I feel like that's always me, to be honest. I feel like I've always got like, I have a list of projects. It's like 7 projects deep right now. They're all freight tech related.
It's a lot of married men in the NBA. Got shorties in cities on NDAs. Lord, keep your hand on MPJ. Daddy gon' keep his pants on and behave. I don't want to see him turn.
All right, let's see. So this should give us, okay, so we've got content, and then we're gonna have basics, cargo, yeah, and like they all have content inside of them. Wait, so ID content 0, content carrier authority. We just gotta like bring some sanity to the formats here. Like the content. What is this? Cargo carried. Oh, I see. I see. Household goods. The ID is class ID 2. Tied the DOT number. Banhammer's staying busy today. The bots are out in force. Yeah, it has been a lot today. I mean, we haven't been live for that long. What? Not even an hour yet. Oh, that's, I don't know why that's up. Okay. Do we care about this? Do we want to just go? Do we want to like break the content down? Do We care about links? I don't think so. I think we just want content. I think we want this. Content. This probably is gonna throw an error. Actually, we'll go. There we go. I think that'll fix it. Oh. Could carry MC on null. Could carry MC on null. Oh. 4 reports, what I want. Okay, so now I didn't get this one yet, but these should be basics, cargo, carried, an array, operation classification, docket numbers. It's looking better. Cool. So I think we want to go content. I think we want to make this general, maybe. Yeah. We're gonna go reports. And we go reports, general, content, and then we can say if report general is empty, then return nothing. Okay, I think that's better. So now if I go sales anchor, do service, let's just, wow, it took a long time though, didn't it? We should just have an empty array at the end. We encounter an error. Wait, what? General. Because the DOT was wrong, so I need to say if. I need to say. How does this work? So I think we go result equals if. Can I do that? Result successful. Okay. If result. Is there an error? Oh, you can do. Can I do on success? No, just on error. Yeah, I mean, I guess we can manually check status. Well, so we'll say if error. Say if report general error return just the error part of this. Yeah, I think so. So now if I go like this, I would actually wait, failed to get data from it actually threw an error. Oh, so we're not getting a 404. What are we getting? Failed to get data. Sure.
Oh yes. Tag team match.
Wait. We're causing a 500. We're actually causing a 500 error. I guess just because the DOT number is like not a valid size. I mean, it's gotta be that. Call to member function JSON on array. Results. Oh, am I doing? Right. Maybe I shouldn't return JSON. Maybe I should just return the response. Wait, I'm already returning JSON here. Oh, that's why. Got it. Okie dokes. I got it. Let's fix all these really quick. Alright. That should be better. I think this makes sense. Oh. What'd I give? Oh. That's fine, keep that for now. Just for testing. Okay. Undefined array. Okay, so it probably actually found one then. I mean, yeah. Okay, got it. So let's go. So really one? No way, right? Hold on. Does that work? No, it came back with nothing. Probably like not found, right? If result successful. Okay, I'm just gonna log the result. Logger info. See what we get. FMCSA response 200. Wait, why is it acting like that's right? Is it right? Is that real? No. So it comes back with a 200 and it's just empty. Okay. So I guess we want to do if status is 400. That's rough. Let's go. See, this is where it would be nice. All right, Eldorado, right? Talking about the API you're going to build. It would be nice if I look for something and it doesn't exist. I don't get a 200 with an empty response. I actually get a 404. Or at least like a not found message in my 200. Not just like a straight up empty response. I guess if you're going to do GraphQL, it's always a 200 response. So I got settled for a message, but... Alright. So we get an empty response in this case. So I guess we want to say if status equals 400 or result what did he result? Just body or result body content or empty. One too many. Oh, it should do it. Yeah, 200s with an empty response. Look. FMCSA response. Status 200. Content empty. So, I don't know. Not what I expected. Now, if you give it a DOT number that doesn't it's like not valid, like 10 ones, it throws an error, but it actually throws a 500 error, like a server error. Basically, it's really bad. I'd rather not. Imagine what the API costs for taxpayers. Yeah, I'd rather not. It'll make me cry. All right, now let me know, Eldorado. I'm in to help. We should literally just build a better, safer API and just straight up market it as like the better, safer API, and that's the whole pitch. We brought the safer API, we've wrapped it and made it modern so that it's usable. That's the entire pitch. Make it free. See if people use it. If tons of people start using it, then we start looking at charging. Let's do it. I'm down. Empty or like is. Am I crazy? Oh, it's not empty because it's like literally an array. Sure. My gosh. I'm so in. Cannot access offset of type string on string. Oh. Let's do result JSON content. The problem with the safer web API that charges 30-month tagline is a better way to query. Yeah, but they charge 30 bucks a month, so it doesn't matter. I don't know anybody that uses that system. Maybe you do, but I don't. And yeah, Chase, the better, I love it. Maybe we call it the modern safer API. You should buy saferapi.com. That's basically all I'm saying right now. And like, let's build it on a Friday or something, or a weekend. We could literally stream it even. I don't even care. It sounds like a free TMS that charges you. You bought it already? Good. Very good. Let's pick a date. I'm down. Yeah, sounds like a free TMS that charges you. You know, it seems like people's words just, they don't mean a lot sometimes, you know? I don't know. Alright, I think we got this fixed. I think this is gonna work this time. Service. No way. Why is this not working? Am I crazy? Logger. Info. Is empty. Why is this not working? You know, it does. The money... I think the money talks louder than people they do. Yeah, 100%. But see, that's where, like, I think stuff like, hold on, is it working? Is empty true. Okay, wait, what? If that's the case... Wait, am I messing something up? Shouldn't this return carrier not found then? Undefined array key error. What was general? empty array? Because this is not content now. This is error. So general equals so we need to go equals general content, or let's go search result equals search result content, or search result error, or blank. Which this should really never happen, so this we're gonna go row fail to get data, and then if it's got an error, then we just return the error. Okay, I think we've broken through. Okay, maybe not. Cannot access offset of type string on string. Search carry dot. It's doing get with key. This is saying return result JSON, or that's all we do. Failed to get data from FMCSA API. Hold on, can I do this? Throw a new exception. Unexpected server response. Separate it out a little bit. I think that might be throwing that exception. Get out of here. No? Content null is empty true. What the heck's going on here? Is it because I'm doing result JSON? Is that like using the body so it's empty when I get back to it? Dude, I didn't expect to spend this much time on this, I'll be honest. I'm just running a stupid problem. So basically what we need to do is I think we gotta go result JSON equals result JSON. Do this. I'm pretty sure it's using the body, and so it's not available anymore. I think we gotta grab it. Let's literally just do this. I think this will fix it. Okay, I'm wrong. Cannot access offset of type string on string. Where is that coming from? Is that here? Also, let's do this because I'm tired of doing this. This is something that's new in PHP, I think, actually. If I remember correctly. Which is, you could go like this. Okay. Failed the data. Okay, so this is wrong. Result. Why is that? Because it's a string for some reason instead of an array. Is there things I can pass to this? Oh, you can actually pass the key. That's cool. So I guess we gotta go. I'm surprised this works though. Then returning an array of error. Failed to get data. Oh, failed to get data. Alright, so we're throwing that exception because content and error are not set. Which is true, because we stopped returning error. For general equals search result error, which is a string. Right. Okay, this is wrong. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm overcomplicating this like way too much. Basically, I just want to go if is set, return search result. If empty, got there an exception. Something's happened. This should never happen. Finally, search results there. Okay. I was way overcomplicating that, I think. This should do what I'm trying to do. I'm so confident I'm deleting these because I know it's going to work. Alright. Cool. Carrier not found. Much better. Much better. Should have led with that. My bad. Let's get that DOT we were using earlier. So I go sell thinker. Like this. Now we should have all this in here. General. Cool. Wait, should I just make this like... No, I hate this. We can clean this up. This is probably okay for now, though. Okay. All right. Progress. FMCSA service. So now we'll add an action for carriers. Do we want to put it under carriers? Yeah, we'll put it under carriers. We'll go FMCSA lookup. I guess I can take a name or... Actually, I think we should do FMCSA name lookup. Copy this so that we can have something to work off of here. So we're doing name lookup. So, okay. I think what we'll do is name lookup can return a few it can return an array. It can be multiple. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create our make migration. This is going to be FM or what carrier? When I say carrier safer reports. Carrier safer reports. All right, and then carrier safer reports. We'll have an ID. Sure. We're actually not going to constrain this to carriers. Instead, we're just going to have a DOT number and like link it that way. And you know what? I'm going to keep it super duper simple right now and have a report. I think we can just keep timestamps as a created at for like when it got ran. Drop if it exists. I think that's good. Yeah. And then let's create a model for this. Under carriers, probably. We don't have a carrier section. Dang. Alright, we're about to do the same thing we did before in the future here shortly. Carrier safer report. Let's go like this. Extends model. Available casts. Public function carrier. I mean, we could do this. Belongs to. Yeah. Basically, our DOT number. Okay. Easy enough. We're probably going to move carriers to their own namespace. I will not do that today. I will create a ticket to do that tomorrow, probably. Move carriers to here. I should have known this was going to happen. Should have just done it the other day, but that's alright. Current cycle. Not a problem. We'll just take care of that off stream. That's kind of just annoying. Like we did that with customers the other day, if you remember. So same thing as for carriers. Okay. Migration's in place. Looks great. So let's do FMCSA name lookup. And this is going to return carrier safer report. Actually, it's going to return... We can't type this, I think, right? Array. Go new FMCSA service. Search carrier name. And then I think what we're going to do is go inside of our carrier safer report. I think we're going to create a public static function, and we're going to do a create from FMCSA report. That might be correct. I'm actually not sure. So general DOT number. General. No, that's not correct. It is general. What? Carrier. General carrier DOT number. General carrier DOT number. Okay. Cool. And then we'll throw the report in there. That's fine. We're gonna just share these across orgs because I don't know why it thinks that's the answer. Because if we end up posting this, or not if, when we end up posting this for people to pay, like for paid hosting, we can just share the report lookups so that our keys don't have to, like, it's all data from the internet. It's not related to orgs, so should be fine. So no org ID or anything in here. But then this carrier lookup will automatically be by org ID, so we'll be safe. Alrighty. So I think what we'll do, search carrier name. So this gives us a list, right? Cool. So I just want to see here if we do search carrier name truck. Sure. Oh, is this going to return like a massive list? I don't think I limited it. Yes, that's fine. I don't care. Yeah, so it's an array. So for each of these, do we want to fill them all out? Do we need to fill them all out? Not sure we do. I think we got results. Yeah, and then for each results, oh yeah, because now we can do a carrier safer report resource. I kind of want to like create for each of these, for each. And like even with name lookup, we probably want to like default to let me think about this. We're doing a name lookup. We got a list of possible matches without all their full information. I think first step is going to be, we just want to display them. So we have enough basic info in here. DOT number, DBA name. We got the high levels. Legal name. Street address. Driver. I mean, honestly, the basic probably has enough. I don't think we need any more. I think that's plenty. I think on create, we'll do like the full one. Or should we just hit it all? I think we just return. I think we just return this. Let's go. We should create the carrier safer report though. So let's go. For the results, maybe I do a create from FMCSA reports. Reports. Turns an array. And then we go for each, create, boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then I guess we can just flag if it's the full report or not. Maybe we go like this. Maybe we go maybe the FMCSA service. Maybe we'll throw this in here. Report full report equals true. So by default, if it doesn't have full report true, then we know it's not the full report. We can use that later for lookup handling stuff. Alright, cool. Cool. Because it's a JSON field, so we can actually query it like to SQL column later, which is cool. So you gotta be careful about like backwards compatibility and everything. So anyway, going backwards, we've got our FMCSA name lookup, and it's gonna return an array of carrier safer reports is the idea. I think we go carrier safer reports, create from FMCSA reports, and then we go return carrier safer reports. Name looks great. This is a carrier safer report resource. We gotta create. So let's go resources. Where am I trying to go? There we go. We haven't created any folders in here, which is surprising to me, but I think it has to go under a folder, right? I'm gonna match it anyway. Carrier safer report resource. Complete me. Do I care that much? Request has got to get pulled in. Oh, I'm wrong. It's the other one. There we go. DOT carrier is not loaded. Not gonna load it. I'm gonna say report. We'll put full report at the top. This report. Cool. Looks good. Let's pull it in. HTML response for lookup? None. Right? Yeah, I don't think there is an HTML response. Burn. Response. Acquire name. Yeah, looks good, I think. So name lookup should work. Let's throw it into web routes. So we'll go route, post. We'll make it a post, I think. Have we done any like multi-word endpoints? Assuming we did dashes. If we did, it's generally my preference. Let's just do FMCSA name, maybe. I guess maybe we should do a get. Maybe it should be a get. Carriers.fmcsa. Look up. Actually, maybe it should be like lookup.name. Maybe that's better. No, this is fine. No, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, it'd be like this. So now we've got all this built. If we go back to our dialogue we were working on, our create dialogue, handle search can go fetch, or I guess Axios is what we've been using, right? Axios.get lookup name. Name is oh yeah, huh? Go const carrier name const carrier DOT. Let me go down here. Looks good. Cool. So then we go, let's replace it with carrier name. Then we'll go, just log the response for now. We got a lot of stuff going on here, so we'll start here and see what breaks. Alright, jumping back over here. Give it a refresh. Create carrier. Let's go. Let's go truck so it works. Wait, we had this problem before, didn't we? I don't remember what it was. Oh, I need to go all. Let's see if the search actually works. Oh, it gets canceled. I don't get to see it. We have to go e dot prevent default e dot stop propagation. I think that's what it was. Yes. All right. Now we can look at the issue. Undefined array key general and safer report line 27. And carrier safer report. Carrier safer report line 27. Undefined array key general. Oh, right. Good point. Good point. So these are not defaulting to content. Right. We probably want to make these all return the same way. Search carrier name. Yeah, I think we want this to go return. Let's go report equals blank. Report. Oh yeah, it's gonna be like a list. Right. And it won't be general unless we make it general. Equals general. Like this. And I think we're gonna go like that. I think DOT, we want to do the same thing. Yeah. But DOT is 1, so at least that's not so bad. So it's really just report equals general, like this. This gets used somewhere else though, doesn't it? Or no? Get full report, yeah. So we are now, if error, I mean, I guess, these should all be private. Oh. Okay, I think it's better. So yeah, this search carries. Wait, what happened here? I didn't even catch that it changed that. Dang it. Okay, hold on. Let's just go here. Let's change these to private again really quick. I don't think MC number is going to be one we're going to search by for now. I mean, I guess we can leave it public. I'm just going to say throw not implemented. Cool. Easy enough. All right. So search carry DOT, this is returning the full thing. We're using it up here for the full report. Why is this? So we did fix the one. I guess we could just make this. Maybe we just make this private too. Are we using it anywhere? No. Just that one place. I think we'll leave it. Yeah. Okay. Should be fixed now. Oh. Don't know why we're getting an error now. Let's try again. Create carrier, test, search. Failed. Empty response. Did we break something? We're getting an empty response? That's odd. Let's go back to our name lookup. It's not a 404, right? Or is it? Hold on. Wait, we're not even getting... Did it crash Docker again? No, it shows up. Never private, at most protected. Well, you really should never call these because they're gonna like return stuff completely out of whack. So I don't know. I don't know if I agree with that, because if you call these, your data is gonna be like you're kind of in the middle of where you want to be. You really want to call full report, which takes care of the content ripouts. Otherwise, we could put all the content ripouts in there, but then it's not going to handle bad situations. We'll see. I'll come back to it. I think private makes sense here, though. Like the way it's set up right now, at least. See, we have our error key. Yeah, because this is a little goofy because it returns error. And we capture the error. Yeah, we capture error state in the full report. I guess we, oh yeah, we captured here too. I think we'll refactor this some more now that it's working. Let me see why this isn't getting a result first though. We want it to be extensible though. We want the raw hit. Is this a case of that though? I mean, I don't know. Maybe theoretically, you'd be really trying to do some wild stuff if you were like extending how carrier authority is pulled as part of the report from Safer, but not like re-implementing the Safer. Because like if you were going to do this, right, you could do search carrier DOT or get full report, I guess is what it would be, and then implement your own report. So you could still, like, the whole point is like the entry point is here, so if you wanted to extend it, we don't want you to like come in here and like half use it. I mostly don't want it to like auto suggest me when I'm trying to work through the code base. Get carrier basics, get carrier MC, and then I'm like, oh, I need to get the MC number. I'll just get carrier MC, and then be like, oh, this is the inner one that doesn't like quite work right. But I guess protected would take care of that. Yeah, I guess it would, right? Anyway, let's see why this is coming back empty. That's really weird. Let's see, we're returning everything. Return. We're doing, we should be in here. Let me go logger. Like this. I mean, this could be a case of like the param isn't working, and so it's coming back with. Let's see what we get. Is Docker broken again? I feel like Docker's broken again, I'm not gonna lie. Man, we've had some serious problems with that. As controller handle, let's throw it in here, I guess. Let's go controller, logger, this, create. And we should see that over. Okay, so that's there. Name, validated, handle. Is search carrier? Is it just literally not coming back with anything? Hold on. Well, like, I did test, right? What's truck? Empty response. Carrier safer reports. Is this not working? Create from FMCSA reports. So create from FMCSA report. DOT number. For each reports as report. I mean, it should still return an empty array though. At least. Errors could be happening, right? Yeah. I guess we kind of maybe just want that to throw an error, to be honest. Hold on, let me log this. Logger, info, results. Let's see what this does. I bet this is gonna have an error. No? What the hell's going on? So this is never even firing, right? Is the database being overwhelmed by trying to create so many entries? I mean, there was maybe 10, 15, something like that. I guess. Let me pull this to another page. It requires reading the code more to grok looks what. Yeah, Yeah, as far as like the functions, that's why I don't want it to be public. But I don't know if protected would take care of that. Maybe. I don't know. I have to try it. This has been one of those days where I feel like we just run into like a lot of little things. I really thought we'd have this done like, yeah, about now, to be honest. In service. I don't know. Let's just see if it does something. That meme with like the little guy poking something with a stick? That's me right now. Do something. Okay, so somehow this git search is causing a failure. Are we timing out? Is like the response not happening? Okay, so that doesn't happen. How about here? I don't know. Wait. This isn't. Oh, wait. I see. I see. I see. I see. AI did us dirty again. I did not catch it. So we need a name back in here. I don't know why it thought that would work. It's a terrible suggestion. Search result equals this get with key carrier name. Okay. AI did us dirty. Alright. That should give us... That should do it for us. That's what's happening. Okay. Okay. I don't remember what all the other stuff we changed was. Let's just try this first. Alright. Undefined array key carrier on safer report 27. Alright, this is where we were earlier. So 27 carrier. Okay, well, let's just log what we get in here. Test and model. General. Wait. General. JSON B code. Port. General. Wait. Yeah. Wait, I'm surprised it's not working. Oh, all right. I gotta step away for 1 second. I don't know what's going on. I feel like this is one of those. I'm gonna step away for a second, get a drink, come back, and it's gonna be like, oh, this is stupid. We'll fix it immediately. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get a coffee, and we're gonna figure this out.
ain't moving, hey, keeping it moving. Like, what are we doing if we ain't moving? Keeping it groovy, hey, hey. Priorities, like what come first and what come last. Like what's right now and what's gon' last. I'll get back to you one day if you ain't my day one. I don't got time, but for you I'll make some buzz. You know you're my priority. What's on your mind? Priority. What come first? What come last? Time been moving, man, it's way too fast. You know you're my priority. Yeah, I got a little bit of time, I got a lot of dreams. I can't be out of giving everybody everything. I really wanna do it for them cause my heart big. When I see the wedding ring emoji, I don't let it ring, know what I mean? Never really had a problem being bored. Always feeling like my day a little too short. I still be ballin' when I go show up at the court, but now I be getting 2 games instead of like 4. Tell me what's important. I've been thinking about the people that I call my core friend. I had a guy that I call my best friend my whole life. When my mama died, he ain't even slide. I just realized you can measure love by the time. Now I gotta focus on mine. I don't hate him, I just gotta reprioritize him. I don't got no time for nothing if it's one-sided. I don't need no one. They only wanna take, they don't wanna make no deposit. I don't need no one who always wanna drink, but they don't wanna pay for the bottle. Nah, finally learn how to chill. Take a break before I break my mental hell. I know I'm no good to nobody else. If I don't know how to be good to myself, priorities. Like what come first and what come last. Like what's right now and what's gon' last. I'll get back to you one day if it ain't my day one. I don't got time, but I'll make some. You know you're mine. You know priority. What's on your mind? Priority. What come first? What come last? Time been moving, man, it's way too fast. You know you're mine. Priority. Hold up, can't get this time away to no one. Except for you, I need you closer. That's why I'm on my way to you. So why do I keep on giving the least to people I say that I love the most? Shouldn't get anything less than all of my best. Instead they be getting what's left over. I want 100% from God, but only won't give them a quarter of me. I grabbed my phone when I woke up this morning. Got every order my priority. I need God in my life, yeah. Cause we don't be
All right.
enough. I give a call when I'm stuck.
Fresh look. Fresh look.
I think he calling my bluff.
So if we go to our logger, FMCSA service, search by truck, I see we're getting a carriers and then a general. And then inside of each general, we have a list of carriers. So I think this is messed up in that we need, this is wrong. So basically content is it should be like this. For each, search result content as carrier. Report like this.
And I like his determination, and I like the fact that besides everything that he tries to do, he always
maybe we do. No, that's perfect. General, false.
So I
like this. This is what we were missing, I think. Now. See now. I think 0 general, that was the problem. Okay. Okay. That makes way more sense. Now we go here. Now we'll have a general carrier DOT number. That should be correct now. Okay. Good vibes, you got this? Yeah. Dude, I was getting frustrated. I expected us to be done with this. Like, I didn't think it was going to take 2 hours. I was like maybe like an hour and a half. Looks like we're going to spend all day on it. It's alright. That's alright. It happens. This is the life of programming. This is the behind the scenes, isn't it? Okay. So anyway, let's see if this works now. I think it will. It does? Okay, there we go. Now we got a bunch. Now we got a bunch. And what I think the cool thing we can do now is we can go here and you see we've got report and it's like this report. I think we can do this now. Think we can go a level deeper, say raw report. I wish AI's failing me a little today though, I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely not helping the situation. I kind of feel like this should be like is full report. And then like look, what is it even? It's I don't really want it to like drop this all into here. Like go away. It's time to show AI who's boss. It does. It's not helping me today. So I think we go name, report general, carrier name. What other stuff do we want to pull out of there? I think these actually should these all be. They should all be in there now, right? Database. I think they'll all be in here now. Carrier safer reports. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now I can rip one of these out. Okay. That's obnoxious for a SQLite browser. My guy. Okay, wait. There we go. I'll drop over here. Give it a format. Here we go. Okay, now we can see them a little nicer. So we got carrier. We got general carrier. That we did. General carrier name. So we can also do what else in here? DOT number is good. Man-made product. Yeah, I know, right? The new marketing tagline. Yeah. For real. I guess we could do address, city, state, street. We could probably do that, right? Let's do that. Let's throw it in there so we can go. Maybe go address. Cool. Cool. That's probably enough. I guess we could show a docket number. We don't pull docket numbers though, or MC number. We're not pulling that by default. I guess probably like name, DOT, and like address is probably enough. I guess we could also show a DBA name if there is one. Go. DBA. It really wants to change it to legal name. Sure. See, it like wouldn't stop suggesting it. Is there not a name? Is it legal name? It is legal name. Okay. Cool. So now, if we do the same thing, we go search. Boom. Now we go report. We've got address. I guess we change street to address line 1 maybe, since that's what we refer to it everywhere else. DBA, name. Yeah, here we go. There's a lot of DBAs. Okay, cool. I think this is good. So now we get the results back. That's progress. This is probably good. I'm gonna submit what we got real quick. Submit it, I mean. Results coming back. Okay. Okay. So. Is there anything we want to touch on this before I move on? Probably not. I think this is fine. 20 to 25% of the carries in my TMS have DBAs. Yeah, it's like almost every one on the poll I just did, but it's probably just chance. More than I thought it would be. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, I think this is fine. Search carrier name. We just get the non-full report. I think that's fine. I'm going to leave these private for now. Maybe we change them to protected. Protected, I can't remember. So protected means I can call them from a child class. Is that right? What is private versus protected? Within the same class, child class. Yeah. I mean, protected's probably fine. I think I can go. I think I can bite on that. Don't need that. Okay. I can live with that. We'll go protected. As long as it won't like auto-complete me outside of the... Like if I'm extending it, then that makes sense. So I think that's fair. Good suggestion. Good suggestion. Cool. Okay, so we're good here. Let's jump back over here. So now we're getting somewhere. So we got our data, right? Got all these. So I guess we're gonna want to go. Actually, you know what? We could go like this. Probably 2. Carrier, safer, report, resource errors. Full address. I hate doing it like that. Let's go as per now. Cool. Yeah. So then, oops, I can go create. I can go truck. I guess I'll disable DOT for now. Let's go disabled. It's true for now. Fine. We'll go throw it muted too. I don't know if we're gonna get back to this today now, to be honest, just because we're kind of behind. So, we might not get to this today. But I'll finish it up tomorrow if not. I was only planning to stream to like 4-ish. So, we'll see what we get done. So, when I search this, we get the results back. Let's do a response. Carrier select or possible carriers. Set possible carriers. I know TypeScript's gonna hate that. I guess we can go. We really need to get our resources compiling into TypeScript types. That'd be super nice. That's gonna be carrier safer report. And I want it to match this. Report name, DBA, full address. That's probably good. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine for now. So this is carrier safer report. Why are you unhappy? Oh, formatting. Cool. So then we're gonna go set possible carriers. Okay. And then we're gonna create another component. This page feels pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie, but maybe it'll be fine. I don't know. Or we could just do an if here and just go return and go possible carriers greater than 0, less than 1. It would be like this. Like this. Then we go basically the same deal here. So we would go it's greater than 0. Then we don't need a form anymore. We don't need any of this stuff. Let's just start fresh. We'll throw dialog footer in the bottom still though. So on click at this point is going to do, I guess is open should set the state too, probably. Get rid of this. So we need to do that too. Basically make if is open changes, then reset everything. That's okay. We'll figure that out in a minute. But anyway, div. Basically, we're gonna create a list in here. We're gonna use cards and just show like a card select, like create. But let's just see how this works first. So we go here. Okay, cool. So then I think we're gonna go. It's gonna be like a list, and it's gonna be like. What? It's gonna be possible carriers map. And I think we have card. I think we make them like cards. I think that would look kind of nice. Like selectable cards. It's carrier dot name, right? Oh, it is report name. Okay. Fine. And then our content. I think I want to go like. Hold on, I want to go like this. I want to go div. I want to have a left half and a right half. Div. Oops. Div. I'm gonna go button. And I want to go outline. And I want to go create. Arrow right. Yay. I got right for go class name equals inline. Okay. And then I want the top, I want the left half, so then basically we're gonna make this flex. Class name equals flex, justify between. And then this I'm gonna do class name equals what items end. And then also I want to do flex. No, I want to go class name equals flex grow, I think is what I want here. And then we'll throw in the report address. We'll throw in the carrier.dot number. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens. And then, oh, we need to do, we'll have a button at the, we'll have one at the bottom. Let's just try this first, test search. Oh, That's a lot of options. Maybe we just do the first like 5 or something. Maybe that should be something we do in the 8 lookup, probably, huh? FMCSA search, search name, and we'll go int limits equals 10. There was a way to do this, but I don't remember what it was. I swear they had this in here. Size is what it was. Size. Oh, cool. It's even a parameter. So we can go... oh, wait. Maybe not. Get with key. And let's go array params. I think I can go params now, right? Pretty sure. That's better. So now let's go here. We'll do search limit 10. And then we'll go... it's actually called size, they said, right? Size. Limit. Okay. Let's try again. Free carrier. Test. We definitely need a... We don't probably, we definitely need a loading. Let's see a return 10. Yeah. Nice. Okay. We need to make it a scroll, obviously. That's not surprising. Class, wait. Let's see, we got cards. Yes. I think we want to go here. We have class name equals overflow y auto max height. Much better. And then here, I think we want to go class name equals space y2. Oops, 2. Right? That's a little bit better. Yeah. Oh my gosh, how bad do you think this looks on mobile? The worst? Oh no, it's actually not bad. It's actually, that's passable. That's way more passable than I thought it was gonna be. Anyway. Let's make this look a little better though. Class name equals text small. Oh, that's better. Let's also go space y2. Maybe 1's enough, honestly, but that looks fine. And then we'll go... we need to put like DOT in here. I guess I could throw it in another DOT. DOT. Oops. So yeah, I need to get rid of the control arrow to like autocomplete me, because it always messes me up. Maybe not. Maybe we make this muted instead. Maybe it's the other direction. This feels horrible to look at, right? I think that the... Can I make this text? We also need to get rid of... Does the card content, does this have padding? Is that what it is? It is, okay. Wait. Does it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Like padding X is what it is. It's almost like I need the address. I mean, I don't know. This is probably fine. So that's, what if I got 0? Okay. So it's this one. Is it margin? Dang, I don't know what the spacing is from that. It's all right. I kind of want the I think I want to go like this actually. I think I want to go the carrier.report. Oh, we didn't even put it in there, huh? What was the other one? It was like address report.address.street. Yeah. There we go. That looks a lot better. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Maybe DOT goes on top though. No, I like it on bottom better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. We just got bangers today. Yeah. Got some Andy Mineo, Lecrae, Harry was here. Stuff that I don't think will get me copyright striked mostly that I like. Okay, and then create is gonna do that's good. That's good. I think we can lower. I feel like we can lower the Y padding. Hold on, let's see. Class name equals padding Y. 1. Oh, it added some. Margin Y 0? Is it margin? Oh, it's a little bit of both, maybe? Okay. And then I think we'll get rid of margin then. Let's add space Y2. Yeah. Cool. And then, so what did I look for this? Create carrier. Oh, it is resetting. I want to do that. So if I look for trucks, search. This needs to be searching. And then I probably need to put the searchers, like search up here. You think? I think so. I think it's gonna say like, I don't want to spend too much time on this. Let's make these creates because we are super behind today. This can be cleaned up, and it will be. That looks better, I think. I think maybe at the bottom we add like a create manual option. Like we literally like copy this and go like, I know this is gonna be mad. Create manual. And we can go, get rid of all this. And we go, this is gonna turn into, manually create carrier. Oh yeah, if you search and there's no results, you would want to be able to create manually still. Guess I can make it manual, yeah. So I go create, fast, search, manually create carrier. And if I search, hold on, if I do this again, and I go create, search, there's no results. So I think what we need to do is we need a way to say, I think we could start tracking state instead, unfortunately. Yeah, okay. So we need to go set possible, possible carriers. Instead, we need to go const show carrier select list. And then set possible, we need to set true. And then, yeah, we need to do show carrier select list. Yeah, this. Okay. Wait. I think that was it. No? What did I mess up? Wait, why does that not work? Go carrier select list. Oh. If show, then show. Otherwise, if not show. There we go. Okay, what else did I miss? Did I change something else on accident? Why is this unhappy? Is there supposed to be another one here? What did I do? Okay. This works. But this doesn't work? Okay, I definitely had something stupid that you guys probably saw there that I just like did not notice. Because I have no idea. But anyway, if I go search, we'll add a loading screen in a second. Oh wait, is it erroring? It might actually be erroring. 500, it does. Must be of type, array. Carrier safe report 37 must be array, but a string was given 37 on carrier safer report. Right, because we're probably doing this CSA name lookup. Yeah, so we're doing results. We need to go. This could be an error. See, I kind of think we should throw an error. Like maybe this should throw an exception. That feels like it'd be better. Yeah, I feel like that would be better. I don't know. If results error, return empty array. Search. There. Yeah, that's better. Right? Boom. And we can say no results. Well, we can put like no results found in there. Let's do that. It's like if possible carriers, we can go possible carriers dot length less than 1. No carriers found. Yeah. Text. Cool. And then let's still carry your name in that manual, I think. Manual, create. I think we can go not found on safer. Create manually if you do not see it. Let's go like small. Ooh. Daggone, they're closing school tomorrow in North Carolina. It's crazy. What if I go test, search? Boom. Test me, enterprise. And then we got test, create manual down at the bottom. Maybe we should color that differently. I feel like it needs more of like a stick out here. Like it needs to like show something's going on. Clip me, thank you. I'm definitely gonna, I'll check that out afterwards. Thank you. I'm looking forward to it. Should be good. Maybe we add like a space. Maybe like, we go like, maybe I go adding 4 or something. Or like 12. Oh, not padding. I meant margin. Oh, that doesn't matter. Is this a flex that I did? Possibly. It is. Okay. Wait, does that not really work though? Guess not. Didn't show the title. Okay, whatever. We'll just roll with this for now. I want to get this bad boy in by 4. Want to get it done. Move on. This has been so much... Eldorado, I'm just saying. This took me so much longer than I thought it was going to. I've done this before, it's just been a while. Obviously, you don't do this integration very often. But my gosh, this is taking me so freaking long. Can we build a better, safer API? Or you build one. And you can just do it yourself, I don't care. We just need it. It needs to exist. A package, a library, something. Maybe we'll just make a better library. Worst case, we'll do that. At some point in the next week or so, we'll package up the work we've done, clean it up, put it in a package online so that I never have to do this again. I have opted for just always onboarding through the TMS instead of this. Understandable. We'll do both. For sure. We're gonna have like a whole carrier onboarding process eventually. For sure. Definitely could use your feedback on that when we get there. Alright. Create manual should create with the name, just like we were before, so we can actually do that right now probably. So button here. We need like a go back to search probably to show up. Maybe like it's a back to search here. I don't know. Footer, yeah. I think we want to go like, see, cancels to the left. Here we go back to search. Yeah, maybe we do that. Actually, that might be good. Maybe it does go on the left. And then I think we go set show carrier select. Okay. Okay, cool. Search. I hate how cancel and back to search flip. Maybe we just go back to search and we go search again. And then we do And then we can make it primary. I think so. This is not the best. I don't love this, but I think we're gonna go with it. Okay. We are almost there. We're so close. Thanks for hanging in there. We are very close. Alright, so what we did before, we had... Right, we had... was it handle submit? Yeah. Wait. Do we have... Maybe we don't even have a manual create page. No, we should. Let's go handle submit. Okay, so let's go... What did we have to do? Set form state manual. So we would go like this. Create manual. Like this. And then I would probably go... Maybe cancel is back to search now. I think so. So create blah 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 form state. Dude, AI is like seriously letting me down today. Just saying. Like, we've had some really good weeks, I feel like, with it. I feel like it's letting me down today, though. Honestly. Really do. Maybe go back to search. With the little left arrow. And we go... Set form state FMCSA. Let's try it. Let's refresh. That's where those set openings will happen. So I go, okay, I'm going to search for my test carrier. We'll make enter. Oh, it does work. Cool. We got a loading screen. Oh, cool. I don't see him. I can cancel to just cancel all of it. Maybe I get rid of cancel. Do we even need a cancel button at this point? I mean, you can X. But anyway, I can search again. Search. Boom. I'm going to create manual. Blah, blah, blah. Back to search. Search again. Does search work when it's empty? No. It probably is throwing an error. Let's try it. Yeah, it is. Okay. I kind of think we get rid of cancel. What do you guys think? I don't think we need to cancel anymore. I mean, you can click off, or you can X out. Maybe cancel's just on the first page. Like here. But then once you search... I don't think we need one here. Search again. I don't think we need to cancel here. I think we can do like this. Yeah, I think we just have one here. Once you're in this flow, back to search, cancel. Yeah, I think that's good. Test. Yeah, I think that last card needs like an outline. Like border, primary. I don't know what primary foreground color is, but it's white apparently. I guess that makes sense actually, now that I'm thinking about it. I don't want it. I don't know. Maybe we don't put, maybe we just put create manual down here as a button. instead, now that we've got search again. Yeah, maybe it's just like this. Oops. Yeah, I think that's probably what we do. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see if the create manually actually works. So test, create manually, test, Garrett 3. Boom. Alright, so that's still working. Now we just need test, Garrett 3. Need a loading page. Right, we need an actual one. So test. Alright, so I'm thinking what we'll do is our create carrier can do, it'll accept also a, oh, it doesn't need a DOT number. It'll accept a carrier report, right? Maybe this should be a separate endpoint. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think we do create carrier from, we've been calling it safer, right? Safer report. Okay. And then we'll redirect to the carrier. That looks great. We don't need any rules. What we're gonna do is instead is require a carrier safer report. And this is gonna handle it with a carrier safer report. It's gonna return a carrier. This handle carrier safer report. We will return a resource. That looks good still. That looks good. Okay. And then, for the sake of now, I guess we'll just go create with that. We also have DOT number, right? DOT number, which is going to be carrier safer report DOT number. We can also create like locations, I guess. How far do we want to go? I think this is good for now, just for the sake of the second right now. We'll make it pull everything in, and that report's still gonna be like referenceable, so whatever. Anyway, so what we want to do now is let's throw it into our routes. So we've got our carrier post for carriers for store. Let's go. I don't think we can do it like that. I think it's got to be like route post carriers. Yeah, I think it's gonna be like that. Then we call it store, not create. I think it's just, wait, post. Oh yeah, this is kind of interesting, huh? So I think we want to post to carrier safer report. I guess it doesn't matter that much. It's a little bit of a weird URL, but it's okay. Okay, is this in here already? Guess so. So carriers FMCSA store. So now let's jump back to our front end. Let's go to our create. Wait, actually, is it that easy? What are you not happy about? Router, post. Oh, it's carrier safer report carrier dot ID. It's actually that simple. I don't think we even need to define a function. All right, So we only are going to get the DOT and the name out of this, but let's try it. Got to add a loading screen still. Integrity van lines. Where? Oh, duh. So this is carrier. No, it's not like that. It's we probably need to do some work to make this a little bit more usable in the safer report. Add some attributes for like name and stuff. I mean, I guess we could do that right now, right? Like we can go public function get name attribute. Return this report and its carrier. No, it's general carrier legal name. Cool. Now we can go name. All right, great. Integrity. Create. Boom. There it is. That's pretty quick, actually. So there it is. Easy enough. And now I can go. Oh, you know what's crazy, actually? Actually, it's fine. Whatever. I'm not going to go wild. We can actually plug all that into our resource search, I think. And have it reference, like, the reports automatically, which should be pretty cool. I think that would be pretty cool. All right, we're about done here. I guess we could try to do DOT. I'm sure there's a 321 carrier. So I can go search again. I wonder how these came back. Well, that one's obvious. Create. Nice. All right, let's add a loading screen. Actually, let's commit what we have, and then let's add a loading screen. Search and create working. Okay. Here, create dialog. What do we need to do? We gotta add a search. So we can go. It's mostly in the, it's not here actually, right? It's in the search. Handle search. Oh, it is here. Right. Okay. I think we want to go const is loading. So let's go loading true. It's loading false. And then we can go if is loading. We can do better than that though. Actually, hold on, we can do this. Yeah, this is way better, I think. Set possible carriers. So let's go show the carrier select list as soon as we click go. And then I can do a finally on this for set is loading to false, so it always happens no matter what. And then we can say in here when we show all of this is loading, and then if it's not loading and there's none, then again if not is loading. Let's throw this to the front really quick. It'll be better there. Okay. Now I believe if we did everything correctly, create carrier, test, search. Cool. And let's make search again and create manually. Search again. Disabled equals is loading. Disabled equals is loading. And we can still do better. Let's go. Let's go. Skeleton. Make the height a little taller. Boom. It looks pretty good. Search again. Search. Got the load. Nice. I wish these lined up. I don't know why they don't. I'm gonna spend like 2 seconds looking at this. Oh, padding turns to 6 on medium. Is that it? Yeah. Font semi-bold. Hold on. It's just the card header. That was why it wasn't taking effect earlier when I was messing with it, probably. I think if I go class name equals medium. There we go. That's better. Nice. That probably needs to load too. But I think this is good. Let me take a look at the ticket we had. We added the table. We wanted to add a refresh data that will like refresh their FMCSA information. Yeah, we need to actually like work on displaying that. What time is it? I think it's, yeah, it's 4 o'clock. I have to end here, but I think what we'll do, I'll probably work on this some tomorrow. Maybe we'll work on it some on Friday. I want to actually have that information displaying in here. We'll pull in the MC number, we'll add the address, have that stuff working. Make address pull in from FMCSA data, along with any other fields during carrier create. So that'll be good. That'll help make this look a little nicer. And then, I don't know, Eldorado, I'm curious what you think about, like, should I put a tab at the top for, like, safer, basically? I don't know. Kind of torn on, like, how to, if I should, like, disperse it across, like, all the tabs where, based on where it's useful. Or if I should just create, like, straight up a safer tab. A little back and forth on that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll play with it then. Maybe that Friday we can do that a little bit. I'll probably build something out tomorrow. I think I'm going to go with a safer tab. A safer tab would be nice. Okay, I'm kind of leaning towards a safer tab. I think like some stuff should land in overview. Like if they're active, their DOT number, their address. But I'm thinking like a safer tab, and then you could like, we could really blow the report up and see all the different things in there. Maybe that's where like the refresh safer data is. I don't know. Cool. Well, I think I'll do that then. Yeah. Cool. Well, all right. Let me push out what we got here. I'll go ahead and at least get it out onto the repo if I didn't already. Hold on. Before we finish, let's run the old dev check. I know we gotta go artisan dev or what is it? I know it's not IDE helper. It's something like that. I just always run IDE helper. IDE helper actions. That's what it is. Okay, ran that. And then we go dev check. Oh, let me see this. All right, we'll run a little dev check here just to make sure. I have a feeling we might actually have some errors from PHP stand because of the report handling we're using. So we'll see.
I'ma make a toast cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in.
Yeah, 16 errors. Oh my gosh. Oh, we have that whole class we wrote. I didn't think about that. Okay, let's see. We'll finish this up before I get off here. Let's see. FMCSA name lookup. Parameter 1 of function response expects, but an int is given. Parameter 1 content. What is this line 48? Oh, 404. Okay. That should be good then. Carrier safe report resource. Access to an undefined property. ID on line 13. Oh. We need to do this. Mix in. Yeah, exactly. Is that what all these are? Okay. Okay, what else we got? Unreachable. Oh, that's a... I guess I could just comment. CSA... Service. It's where I threw that exception. Yeah, let's do this. That's fine. Let's try it again. Think this will do it? Okay, no errors. Nice. So yeah, let me add a thing here too for safer tab to show the report. Cool. Hopefully this will pass. I think it will. Cool. Yeah, and then Friday, let's see here. I really want to work with the data table component, making that mobile friendly. I'll move the carrier stuff too tomorrow. Maybe we'll start on facilities. I don't know. There's some other random things I was kind of thinking about doing, so just kind of see how we're feeling, you know? What was this? Fixes for pipeline. Okay, cool. I think that's good. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll probably finish up. I'll probably finish this up, and then Friday we can look at the tab I created and see what people think. I'll probably post it in the Discord or something if I get ahead of schedule. But yeah, and then maybe Friday we can actually split that FMCSA stuff out into a package. Maybe that's what we'll do too. This, clean this up a bit, and turn it into an actual like package on GitHub. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm off here for now. Thanks for tuning in. And have a great rest of your day. I'll be back on Friday. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good evening.